Hi guys, if you're interested in hearing my top 5 conditioners and deep conditioners for natural hair, keep on watching. So I would have posted my top 5 favorite shampoos. Check it out if you haven't already. But here are my top 5 conditioners and deep conditioners. What I will do is split them in two, so I'll give the conditioners that I really enjoy and I'll give the deep conditioners that I really enjoy to make it my top 5 overall conditioners slash deep conditioners. So the first one is one by Maui Moisture. You would have seen it on my channel already. Check it out if you haven't. And it is the Maui Moisture Lightweight Plus Hydration Hibiscus Water Conditioner. This one is new to me because I haven't used it for a long period of time, but for the short amount of time that I've used it, I can definitely say that it is a fave of mine in the conditioner section, because you don't necessarily need that much product in order to get your hair fully coated, and also you don't need a lot to feel the moisture that your hair will absorb as you leave it in for the 3 to 5 minutes. It is also on the lower end of prices, so if you're interested in checking out an affordable conditioner, check that one out. And moving on to my second conditioner, I have here the Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Detangling and Conditioning Conditioner. I used this one early on in my natural hair journey, and I must say that it is really hydrating to my hair strands, and it is also an affordable conditioner. All the girlies or all the naturals who don't like to necessarily deep condition, those two conditioners that I mentioned will definitely be worth the money, because at the end of the day, the goal of conditioning your hair is being met, and you don't have to spend a lot of time waiting until the conditioner is able to penetrate your hair strands. So it is a win-win situation. Now we'll move on to the other 3 conditioners, which happen to be deep conditioners. The first one I have here is the Flor Curl Rose Water and Honey Molasses Moisture Mask. Let me tell y'all, this deep conditioner is the best deep conditioner that I have used since I started my natural hair journey in 2016. The best. One, you don't need a lot on your hair. 2, it is botanical, made from plant-based ingredients. And 3, the hydration is undeniable. You probably wouldn't have seen me talk about it much on my channel, because I did in fact get it from a giveaway hosted by the company, but honestly, I am glad I stumbled across the deep conditioner. Chef's kiss all across the board. That is all I can say about that deep conditioner. That is really all. It hydrated my hair. Everything was just perfect. And the slip, you did not need water in order to activate the ingredients. Once you put it on your hair, your fingers are able to glide through, and I'm assuming that there are persons who may use a detangling tool. I'm pretty sure that that detangling tool will be able to glide through your hair without an issue. So please check that one out. Moving on from the Flor Curl Deep Conditioning Mask, I have here the Dr. Miracle's Rice Protein and Babasu Oil Hydrating and Strengthening Deep Conditioner. This one is also a favorite of mine for two reasons. The slip is definitely there, and the hydration is definitely there. What I can say about this deep conditioner to justify its role in being a part of my top 5 overall conditioners slash deep conditioners is the fact that it gave my hair a tingling sensation, and I love feeling like I am at the spa whenever I do my hair, because hair care is self-care, and why not feel like you're at the spa? So I love this deep conditioner because, one, like I said, the slip is amazing, and you don't need a lot. A little bit actually went a very long way with this deep conditioner. And also there was a tingling sensation on my scalp. It wasn't too terrible to where I have to wonder if my hair is on fire or I have to wonder what's going on, but it was a very nice feeling. And also, this deep conditioner specifically was on the affordable side of the natural hair product spectrum, so definitely check it out if you're interested. Last but not least, we have the Talia Wajid Repair and Restore Hair Strengthening Treatment Mask. Yes, it is a mouthful, but I love this deep conditioner because after it has sat in my hair feels very hydrated, and it also feels restored, just like the name said it would. That is one of the reasons why I gravitated towards putting this mask in the top 5, because it lives up to its name, and it has some nice ingredients like banana and some other ingredients in it that I think you would like. So I really enjoy this deep conditioner because it lived up to its claims. And also, while I was using it, I found that it emulsified very well. The deep conditioners that I mentioned before also emulsified very well, so the product was able to spread throughout my hair without a problem, and I didn't need a lot because of that. So I really think that you should try out all of these products that I mentioned, because they're not only affordable, but they also live up to their claims. So that is it for my top 5 conditioners slash deep conditioners. And if you liked this video, definitely leave a like, and if you want to see more content from me, definitely subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload from me. And share this video with someone who is interested in trying out a new natural hair product but has no idea what to choose. Definitely send this video to them, and hopefully it will give them some inspiration. And like I said, like this video and share it with someone who's interested, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.